Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. And as you know, supply is currently in demand. It's the overall swing structure, bullish, but lows are starting to be taken out. Supply is in control. It's actually in this area of supply right now. If you can see it, this area of supply. Price is reacting from that now. This support was held up when buyers started to step back in. Like I said, we'll see if this starts to break down, but overall, like I said, swing structure is bullish, so looking for any type of retracement back down to the discount into any area of demand, and any type of bullish momentum shift from there. Currently, this is expanding, not technically, it's still a channel, but it's expanding downward. So it is technically liquidity sitting over these highs, but looking for a deeper retracement before looking for a type of buying opportunity. Like I said, supply is still in control right now. If prices continue to push down lower past these lows, then I'll just be waiting to see any type of bullish momentum shift in order to target the highs of the overall range. GBP USD, let's go and map out the current range. And unlike Euro, these lows were taken out. This demand area did not hold. Buyers did step back in, consolidating in an upward channel. Now that the liquidity sitting under these lows, we're taken out. Technically, just still rating sideways, but overall swing structure bullish. Looking for any type of retracement back down to discount on any type of area of demand. This demand did not hold up. Started to consolidate sideways. Looking for any type of bullish momentum shift when it does retrace back down to discount. You know, take any type of buying opportunity to target the highs in the overall range. But currently, it already did react from discount. And now it's currently prices are going back down to discount. If this candle does close, not looking for any type of selling opportunity, and just saying that prices can retrace back down to look for a better buying opportunity when it goes lower, as long as this higher low does not get violated. So looking for any type of buying opportunity once it presents itself. AUD USD, go map out the current range. And as we were saying yesterday, prices continue to push lower from this area of supply that was in control. Now prices are reacting from this area of supply. You can't see it. This is that area of supply. The price is reacting from that now. That area was able to push down, break the structure to the downside, but this demand area did hold up. Overall swing structure bullish, so just looking for any type of retracement back down into discount or retracement back down to an area of demand, or an area of demand or an area of discount, in order to look for any type of buying opportunity and any bullish momentum push back to the upside. So that, like I said, this support did hold up from this retracement, and fractally start to break to the upside. We'll look for any type of retracement or mini retracement while this bullish push is happening, in order to consider like the internal structure bullish, fractal structure bullish, swing structure bullish. Internal structure still bearish because these lows is what's being taken out. I would have to see a breakup above these highs for the internal structure to be bullish. This fractal structure is bullish, and there's liquidity sitting over these highs. But like I said, right now, prices in this area of supply, so just waiting to see if it does. These buyers do continue to push higher. I'm looking for any type of buying opportunity because this will be a reaction from a retracement from the swing for the bullish swing structure from this area of demand. So if it can continue to break past these highs, I'm looking for any type of buying opportunity, break past these highs, and if it does break past the highs, looking for any type of retracement then, and that means the new range is formed. And we're looking at any type of buying opportunity then also. NZD USD, go map out the current range. Of course, it's a similar chart to AUD USD. Structure broke to the downside. This area of demand did not hold up. Well, now price stepped into discount. Buyers have reacted from that. This area of supply is in control. From this low, price has reacted from that. You cannot see it. This is the area of supply, and price reacted from it. So we're looking to see if prices could continue to push back further down to discount. Looking for any type of buying opportunity then, not looking for a selling opportunity, even though, like I said, supply is in control. Overall swing structure is bullish. Internal structure is bearish, so not looking for a type of selling opportunity. But overall, if it does retrace back down to discount further, and there's a bullish momentum shift, like, I mean, buyers did step back in, but like, again, like I said, the supply area has had a reaction for price. So only looking for any type of buying opportunity if there is a bullish momentum shift when it comes back down to discount, or if there is, or if these highs start to get taken out, just like with AUD USD. GBP AUD, let's go back by the current range. Still in this squeeze consolidated structure. Overall swing structure bearish. Prices had continued to react from this lower high of this overall swing structure. Started to push back down. I was saying before to be careful of this area of this trend line where buyers tend to step back in and didn't make it all the way back down last time, but buyers did step back in, made a structure shift to the upside, took out some of these liquidity over these highs, but now sellers started to step back in, so swing structure bearish, fractal structure bearish, and now the internal structure bearish. Looking for any type of selling opportunity. It does give any type of retracement. Look to take any type of selling opportunities back down into the overall range lows. But again, buyers tend to step back into this trend line. So when looking for any type of selling opportunities, maybe if this gives any type of retracement back, maybe on a lower time frame, look for any type of sell now to target the lows that these buyers formed in the lows of this trend line, but overall the lows of the overall range. GBP NZD, let's go map out the current range. And as we've been seeing, prices had gone back into premium, kind of consolidated, sellers still reacted from it. Push back down, broke structures to the downside, but then buyers stepped back in and started to break structures to the upside. And like I was saying yesterday, probably was headed towards premium once again, and it reacted from premium once again, just like with GBP AUD. It keeps reacting from that strong lower high. The price and GBP NZD still reacts from once it goes back into the premium. Sellers start to step back in. It seems like every time, kind of spiked here. Sellers step back in. Came here, premium, sellers step back in, but buyers are still stepping back in. So that's why overall it's just, consolidating sideways in a wedge pattern, but only looking for any type of selling opportunity. So overall the swing structure is bearish right now. Fractal structure starting to break down bearish internally. I would have to see a retracement and then take it out of some of these lows. There is liquidity in these lows. If that does start to happen, then it'll all line up for swing structure. Fractal structure, internal structure, bearish. Looking for into the selling opportunity. Looks like GBP AUD was stronger, going down to the downside. But only looking for selling opportunities. Only way I would be interested in looking for buy opportunities if it does go back in the premium, start making taking out some of the highs. But overall, just like with GBP AUD, swing structure bearish. So looking for any type of bearish momentum shift down to the downside. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.